In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how you can add music to your Canva presentation just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So to add the background music to your Canva presentation, all you have to do is you just need to click over here on Upload, okay? Click on Upload, then click over here on Upload File, okay? So you need to choose the background music from your laptop that you want to add. So for example, I'm gonna add this background music from my laptop. Okay, as you can see. So for example, I want to add this one. I will just click over here on open. Okay, and all you have to do is your background music will be uploaded to your Canva account. And what you will do next, you will click over here on the first page. Okay, then click over here on your background music. So just click on your background music. And here you go. That's how we can add a background music to your Canva presentation. It's really super easy and simple. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.